Hello guys and welcome to XenonPlays, and I'm here to introduce you guys to wings.io, and we're going to play this game. I like this game a lot because it's very interesting, and I like the way it works this way. Do I want that? Oh, this is the shotgun. Come on, get him. Yeah. Holy crap, that is madness. Play again. Holy crap. No, why is my game lagging right now? I got one guy. I need to lock onto someone. Dead. Ooh, I'm doing really good. Are you kidding me? Holy crap. I need to get my health back up. No, go away. Quit trying to kill me. Stop it. I don't like... God damn it. No, he has the super weapon. That's OP. Why did he get the super weapon? Gotcha, bitch. I know you want me, but why? You said... Oh my god, lag. Why? Dead. Ooh. No. Why does it lag like that? That's what I hate. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Give me these. I need these missiles. Die. Really? You get a health crate at like the final second? Okay, I got the fisting power up. See if I can get someone. I'm gonna get that guy with the super weapon. Are you kidding me? It didn't even register. This is dumb. That is so stupid. Oh, no, he's dead. Now he's gonna kill me. 'Cause, you know, super weapon. Bitch. Why does he have max health and shit? Like, come on, man. Die. No, you're not supposed to get in my way. I want to kill Jelly. Holy, I went on a frickin' streak there. Got like 4 guys. Come on. Why can't I shoot right when I spawn in? That's stupid. Ooh, I got a double kill. That was pretty good. Ooh, double kill again. Oh, goddamn. My name's Jeff. Are you kidding me? Stop killing me. Are you kidding me? I was heading right in. More missiles, more death. Die! Oh, how did I get... Ah, I got shotgun, of course. Oh, this is so stupid. I hate the fisting power-up. Why are you AFK? Or what the hell are you doing? Just flying straight down, you fucking idiot. Really? That was so stupid. No, I want the little death thing. Come on. Stop lagging like that. I don't like that. See? Can't shoot. Can't kill anyone. I need to spawn in. Kill. Holy crap. I was just in 6th. Now I'm in fucking 11th. Why? Why does this happen? Holy crap. Death. Lots and lots of death. Ooh, that snipe. No, I was the king. I was the leader. Are you kidding me? Come on, man. Give me a break. I was the leader for 2 minutes. Not even a minute. Why did I say 2 minutes? That was like 2 seconds. Oh, come on. I have no clue what just killed me. Come on. Wow, that's amazing, you know? That's just amazing. Haha, gotcha, bitch. Holy hell. So many, electrical death. Holy crap. Ooh, baby, a triple. Oh, baby, a triple. Come on. Well, I suck. Too bad. Yo, you're in first. Kill. Ooh, triple kill. Oh, quad feed. No! No! No, don't kill me! Oh! That was way too close. Kill the fister. Kill the fister. Why? Why? Alright, well that sums it up for the episode. I only have 20 seconds left. I will see you guys in the next video. This is XenonPlays, and goodbye. Peace out.